Hello friends, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Drawings by Rekha. I am here to talk to you about my YouTube journey from zero to monetization. First of all, thank you so much to my subscribers, my supporters and my viewers for supporting me. Thank you to YouTube too for providing a nice platform to share our talents with the world with less efforts from the home only. Now about me. In the year 2020, because of COVID, lockdown started. My tuitions were closed, which was my best activity since last 20 years. Then I started sketching as a time pass. I used to share it with my friends and relatives. I always received nice compliments. Many of them advised me to start my YouTube channel. I thought it was impossible for me. I didn't know how to shoot, how to edit, how to add thumbnail, description, tags, how to upload. It was not easy. It was even more difficult than to make sketches. Today's young generation is very smart and talented. But I am 50 plus. And as a homemaker, I found it very difficult. I didn't even know about the different features of my smartphone too. Then with the help of my son, I started my YouTube channel. My first video was uploaded on 21st March 2021. My earlier attempts were very painful to watch. Still, I didn't give up. I went on learning and improving day by day. After a year, I completed my watch time, but my subscribers were only 600 plus. Then also I continued my journey and the result is in front of us. I worked very hard, but friends, nothing is possible without the help of the family. My husband supported me a lot. My son and my daughter-in-law were always with me, ready to help me in technical issues. My brothers, sisters, my in-laws all supported and motivated me. So thank you all my family members. I am nothing without you. Friends, it's not the end. In fact, it's the real beginning of my YouTube journey. Once again, thanks a lot, my supporters and my viewers. I do appreciate your support and your time given to me. And I need your support forever. Drawings related videos will be there on my channel. Friends, life is only once. Try to make it the best, productive and positive. Take very good care of yourself. God bless us all. Thank you.